Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to use OnePay card online. Open the OnePay app on your phone. Make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are in the app, go to the wallet section. Here you will see an option called Activate Card. Tap on Activate Card and follow the steps on the screen. You may need to confirm some details or enter a verification code. After completing these steps, your card will be activated and ready to use. Now that your card is active, you can pay in many ways. If you are shopping in a store, you can use the OnePay app to scan and pay directly from your phone. This works with any merchant that accepts digital payments. If you have a physical OnePay card, you can swipe it at the card reader or use contactless payment. Just tap your card on the reader and wait for the confirmation. You can also use your OnePay card online. Open the website where you want to buy something. At checkout, choose to pay by credit or debit card. Enter your OnePay card number, expiry date, and CVV code. If the site asks for a billing address, use the one linked to your OnePay account. Thanks for watching.